Hello students, today we'll start chapter 3, advanced features of MS Word. Whatever the advanced features of MS Word we'll go through in this chapter, right? So very first things, spelling and grammar. Spelling and grammar we can check in what? In MS Word. So it's here written here, red or blue wavy lines. Red or blue wavy lines. But the red wavy lines indicates the spelling mistakes and blue wavy lines indicates the grammatical mistakes. Suppose you write something in MS Word, right? You write something in MS Word. If something mistakes is, suppose this is the MS Word, right? If you written something, right? So if any what spelling mistakes is there, then blue line will come, right? That red wavy line indicates the spelling mistakes, red wavy line come the spelling mistakes, right? Here you can see the red lines are coming. I have written my school's name is double S I have written, so red line is coming, and a name also spelling I have written the wrong, right? So red line coming. So if I took it name, I got and is also I got double S I have written, is I got, then the line is going. The Kerala, look at here, I have written double A, you have written A written Kerala, then the red line will go. English will written the wrong things. If I that correct the things, it will go. At schools, look at the school, double L I have written, no? Double L written, so red line is coming. Fine. So if I got the L, one L, then the red line will go. So spelling and error also we can check in MS Word. Fine. The basic is how to open. You go to the review tab. So look at this here off. So my that mouse pointer review tab written. This one the review tab. You have to open the review tab. Look at here, the review tab. All the research is there. All the things are there. So we can go through all the things, right? Spelling, grammar, thesaurus, all the things we can get. Understood? Then the next page is next page, what is written here, right? So spelling and grammar what we can check, spelling and grammar we can check. Fine. Then written here, look at here, that is the evidence, then spelling and grammar. If I click like this, spelling and grammar we can check. Ignore once, all these things will come like this. Fine. Then the buttons are there, change all, ignore all, right? Look at here, all the things are coming. Fine. Spelling and grammar is coming, all the things are coming. Dekho, resume, ignore, next, change, all things are coming. Fine. So change button is used to change the current highlighted word only. So we can change something. Change all means we can change all the things. Ignore means we can ignore the whatever the mistakes. Ignore all, we can do ignore, and add, right? We can do like this. Suppose I have written here, suppose this one written something, written something. This one the green line is coming. So if you go to the right click, the coming school, ignore once, grammar, yes or no? Ignore once you do, if that line will go, this line will go like this. Fine. So after finish, so that this box will come, spelling and grammar check completed. Spelling and grammar check completed will come, right? Then it will coming the shortcut key also F7. Look at here, you put the F7, you put the F7 key, right? It's not coming here, so also it will come. Fine. And if you then written, if you see that a word of shows that misplates and has a red wavy line under it, but that particular word, doesn't exist, you may add the word to the MS Word dictionary. So which now that which word not in the in the computer, we can add that in the dictionary also, computer dictionary also. Fine. Then thesaurus. Thesaurus, what is thesaurus is there, what is thesaurus? The thesaurus consists of words in groups of synonyms and antonyms, which improves your vocabulary. Moreover, you can change the word to its synonyms to express the meaning more accurately. So thesaurus, you can get the synonyms and antonyms. Synonyms and antonyms. Suppose I'm just writing. Suppose I have written running, 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 so thesaurus is there, right? So we can get thesaurus, right? We get the thesaurus running, all the things are coming, but the synonyms, antonyms we can get, right? If you right click also, synonyms is coming, look at here, running, orations, in a row, successibility, thesaurus, thesaurus is coming like this. Fine. So this will come. Then how it will come? Review thesaurus in the proofing group. You go to the, this is the review, and this one is the thesaurus. Look at this, the thesaurus. You go to the review tab. This one, the review tab, near my mouse, that review tabs, and you go to the thesaurus options. This one, thesaurus, right? Then the shortcut key Shift plus F7. Shift plus F7 also it can come. Shortcut key you have to remember Shift plus F7. Shortcut key you have to remember Shift plus F7. Then written find and replace. Find and replace. You can find and replace. You can do that. Find and replace features of MS Word is used to search and replace the words or text in a document. By using these features, you can easily make changes in a very large document. Fine. So find and replace, you have seen how you can get that find, and how to find the find of a command of MS Word is used to find, this search for a particular word or text in a document. Suppose you have written a big document, right? You have written a very big document. Suppose in a document one word is written, suppose any other thing written, suppose a different student name is written, and you want to write your name in that, in the main document. That student name suppose written 10-15 times in that document. You have to change that his name, and you have to write your names. So how to find out? You have to find out that his name, and you have to put your name. Fine. And my dear students, if you see the scene that any things, that movie also, that 3 Idiots movie also you have seen, there also how that they have changed that full documents, right? So you can change, you can find and replace the word. How to go? Open the document in which you want to search a word, then you go to home tab and find and edit group. You have to go to the home tab. You have to go to the, this is suppose this is the document I have writing here. Home tab is, this is corner, this is the home tab, you have to go to the home tab, and what to do? Find in the editing group. You have to go to the find and in the editing group. Fine. Like this you have to go. Fine. So here you want document written. So they look at here, they written their breakfast, and they're changing the things, and they're finding that word, and they're changing the things. Fine. Mom and dad, right? So this is the things are there where they are changing something, a word written, and there this both the page you can see they are finding something on ordinary day. The thing returns, so they are changing, they are changing. Fine. Then top tip, this is the shortcut keys, Ctrl plus F key to open the navigation pane for finding any text in the document. For finding text in document, this is the shortcut key. And after finding, you have to replace the word. How to replace the word? To replace command of MS Word is that is used to replace the particular word or text with that new word or text in a document. So what you do, open the document in which you want to replace them, then go to home tab, replace command and editing group. So definitely you have to go to the like this home tab, home tab you have to go, then edit columns you have to go, right? Then replace and editing groups you have to go. Fine. Then this one, find and replace. Look at the find and replace. And find and replace is there. Fine. Find and replace. This time look at here, control plus F. If I click control plus F, look at the control plus F, do find, replace, go to, these options are coming. So whatever you are finding, and you can replace whatever you want to replace. Now, so finding this one, suppose you're finding written something here, you have to changing that his friend name to your name, you have find this name and you're changing your name, you have put the your name here, then you have to go to find, so you can change the things. Then click the replace button if you want to replace the current word, everything is the replace button, right? So you have to go for the replace button, and this is the replace button. Find, control plus F. Fine, so you can find and you can replace the word. Fine. Then one word that coming, mail merge. Mail merge. So what is mail merge? Mail merge feature used to send the same letter to a large number of people at the same time by doing some modification. Suppose you have what birthday invitation, you have the birthday supposed to come and you want to send that birthday card to the different persons, different email IDs, and you have to write your friend's name and their address. Fine. So that name and address only you can change by the mail merge. The same email you can change to the different persons. So mail merge person used to send the same letter to a large number of people at the same time by some small modification. Mail merge facility is widely used when letters with identical information have to be sent to many people in schools, colleges, offices, etc. For mail merge process, we need to document. Suppose I'm telling you, suppose that is school. So our schools want to send the what? Suppose that puja invitations, we have suppose Republic Day is there or Independence Day is there, so you have to send the invitations to the parents, the different parents of the students. So they have to change the students names, the parents, that their address, right? So we can change only those things and we can send to the different persons, right? So we have the two main documents in mail merge, main document and data source. Mail merge, that you have the two documents, that main document and the data source. Main document, this is that it contains text of letter, it contains the text of letters. This one, see, it contains the text of letters, this one. Then data source, this is the file that contains names and address. Data source, it contains names and addresses, Fine. So what are the basic steps of mail merge? These three things, very important things. What are these two also, main document and data source. These two things you have to remember, two documents, names. Then three steps, following steps are there in mail merge. You have to remember these three things, very important things. Creating main document, creating a data source, then merging the main document and data source, right? To perform the mail merge, what are the given steps are there? So now how to perform the mail merge? We have some steps. Total 6 steps are there. So steps 1 is named as steps 1, select document type. So step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6. So 6 steps are there. So steps 1, this is steps 1. Fine. Then further open the new document in MS Word or then and click the mailing tab. You have to click to the mailing tab. Fine. Look at here. You cancel this one. You go to, this is the document. Suppose you have this is, look at your off. You have this mailing tab. Come in a mailing tab, and this is the mailing tab. You have to go to the what mailing tab, then select the start mail merge. You have to select the start mail merge options, and this one, see this one, the start mail merge, and then start mail merge options, the step by step mail merge wizard, then step by step, and mail merge, the step by step mail merge wizard. Fine. So you have to do like this. Then what, click that mail merge task pane will appear on the right side of the screen. Right side of the screen it will come. Okay, right side of the screen. Select document types. Right. This one you can see right hand side. है ना, these things are coming now. Letters, email, that email messages, envelopes, labels, dictionary, all things are coming like this. Things will come. Then later select documents type, the next starting document at the bottom of the pen, right? So you have to do like this. Then selecting starting document, then second steps is select starting document, right? So click the use the current document. You have to click to the use the current document, use to the current document, है ना, use to the current document you have to click, है ना. The next option is there, है ना, use to the current document. Look at this right side, use to current document, right side near the mouse you can see this things is coming. Fine. Then click the next, then you have to click the next select recipients. The next select recipient down C, next select recipient down C, है ना, you have to click like this. Then step 3 written, select the recipients. Select the recipients, type a new list, type the new list, type the new list, है ना. Then create that click the create, you have to click like this, create, right hand side, see like this, this type box will come. Click the create, the new address list dialog box appear, new address dialog box appear like this. See title, first name, last name, company name, address line, these things will come. Right, this you can see this picture also here. This one, see this one, see now you can see this one, this box you can see. All right, so these things will come. Then if you want to change or delete the column, click the customize column in the new address list, customize column in the new address list. Fine. Then these things will come. Customize column, look at this customize column, and now customize column you can see now this box is coming. Fine, this box, see this box, fine. Then if you want to delete any field, then you can that you can select the field from the field names, and then similarly you add the new field, you can add also, you can delete the field, you can delete or add the code, add, delete, written, add, delete, all things are written, so you can do. Fine. Then type the name of the type the name and click OK. You will see the field inserted in the box. Click the OK button, then you have to click to the OK button. All right, you have to click to the OK button. Okay, na? What you have to do, you have to click to the OK button. Fine, you can see. Then to save that address list, what to do, to save the address list, dialog box opens. Fine. So in the next video we'll update the other things.